This video is based on article What is Model Context Protocol and What Does It Mean for Modern Data Architecture, published on KD Nuggets. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about something new and powerful in the AI world, Model Context Protocol or MCP, and how it can totally change modern data system. Now here the thing, even though companies are spending millions on AI, most of them are not getting real result. According to recent MIT report, around 95% of AI projects fail to deliver real business value. The problem is not the AI model itself, it's the weak workflows and poor connection between AI tools and company data system. Think about it. Many businesses are using tools like ChatGPT or other large language model, but these tools does not always understand the company internal data. That means they can truly help with real tasks like customer insight, report, or automation. And that exactly where MCP comes. MCP created by Anthropic, the company behind Cloud, in a new protocol that helps AI connect directly to enterprise system and data. It acts like a bridge between your company's AI agent and your internal databases, apps, or tools. So instead of being a stand-alone chatbot, the AI can now pull context from your organization actual data like sales reports, CRM info, or document and give accurate, useful answer. In short, MCP equal to the missing link between powerful AI models and real business data. For enterprise, this means AI can finally move beyond experiment and start delivering measurable ROI at scale.